Hello students, today we will be going to start a new chapter, that is lesson number 4, urbanization. In this video we will be looking at urbanization. So that's what we are starting with. Now if we look at urbanization, what does it exactly mean? The making of cities. That's what urbanization basically is. But how does it happen? Let us imagine a place, it's a rural area. Suddenly in this rural area, a factory comes up. Let us say a mobile manufacturing factory comes up. Now the factory has come in, which means it will be employing a number of people. So once the factory comes, it needs a lot of workers. It needs a lot of workforce. So number of people even from outside begin to come into this area. Now once there are people, it means that these people needs places to stay. So there will be residential areas which will come up, or they might stay in hotels. They will need food, they will need health services, that is hospitals. Then slowly they might bring their families along. So it means there is a need of educational institutes also. This means the entire chain of progression is starting. So a number of things are coming up. If we look at any rural area, our country was primarily dependent on agriculture. Even today, agriculture is the one that employs the most. So if we look at it, there is a shift of the workforce from agricultural sector, and that is shifting to things such as manufacturing sector or service sector. So there is now a shift in the workforce. Now again, if we look at this particular area, these institutes have come up. The basic organizations have come up. Now this particular village where the factory was set up, initially it was run by panchayats. Now as the scope broadens, municipal corporations will come in. Now this means that different needs like drinking water, sewage, roads development will now be taken care by the municipalities. Soon we will see that another level of services begin. They might need recreation. This spot might turn to be a big tourist spot. They will need parks, they will need other part of community setup. So all these things lead to the village becoming a city. The standard of living has been increasing. It is all due to factory that came up, one institute, one center that came up. This entire process from where a rural area has become urbanized is known as urbanization. Is it clear? The entire process from where a rural area has become urbanized, it is known as urbanization. So that's all for today. Today we have learned the meaning of the word urbanization. In next video, we will learn the causes of urbanization. Thank you very much.